Two Perspectives on Cultural Identity. About the author. Pat Mora is a poet, writer, and social activist whose works explore issues of heritage and social inequality. An avid traveler, Mora wrote Communion 1991 about her experiences traveling in Cuba, India, and Pakistan. A year later, she published her first children's book about a beloved aunt who taught her to appreciate her own Mexican-American heritage. Legal Alien by Pat Mora. Bilingual, bicultural, able to slip from "how's life" to "me están volviendo loca", able to sit in a paneled office, drafting memos in smooth English, able to order in fluent Spanish at a Mexican restaurant. American, but hyphenated. Viewed by Anglos as perhaps exotic, perhaps inferior, definitely different. Viewed by Mexicans as alien. Their eyes say, "You may speak Spanish, but you're not like me." An American to Mexicans, a Mexican to Americans. A handy token sliding back and forth between the fringes of both worlds, by smiling, by masking the discomfort of being prejudged, bilaterally.